Good evening. I am doing a tear down and clean out of my Xbox One controller. This is the toolkit I am using. I wish I could remember where I got it, but I don't, so there you go. As you can see, first I have to take off the battery pack. I do always recommend using rechargeable battery packs. And looks like there's one screw underneath the label here. And just so it's clear, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing here. Let's see. Guess I better keep this out where y'all can see it. I'm sorry if the sound is not very good, and it's too bad when I edit this, I'll do a voiceover. Well, this controller's so dang old, there's no chance of warranty, so no matter. And this is an Xbox One controller, model 1708, for those curious. Where's my X-Acto? Ugh. This wonderful little trinket was a gift from my mother some years ago. Well, might need those. Go ahead and leave those out. When doing work like this, it helps if you have fingernails. Oh. That's a security. Wait, is that a security screw or am I delusional? Nope, that's a security screw. Oh, let's see. Do I have a security screw? Welp. That pretty well nips that one in the bud, unless I can get around it. Because I don't have a security driver. No, that's too big. Oh, let's see what we can do. Eeny, meeny, miny, moo. Let's see if I can screw with you. Nope, that method doesn't work. See if I can do it with a slightly bigger one. That was a 5/64, so let's see if about a 3/32. Just a hair too big. What about a 2.0 triangle bit? Is that small enough to get in there? Nope. Gonna wipe it. Too pointy. Well, this may be a tale of finished before we even began. This is my smallest Torx. Nope. Well, let's get to backups. Let's see what we got here. Too big. Too big. Too big. I don't think so, but nope. Nope. What do you know? Well, ain't that a bitch? I just managed to knock that security pin out of the middle of it. And lo and behold, ta-da! Your security pin is no match for me. And that's why I keep my spares in a Girl Scout cookie tin. Excuse me, not cookie tin. Whatchamacallit, it was mints. Mint chocolates. And, you know, having a Girl Scout in the family, but that's neither here nor there, as I tend to say. So, step 1, we've got the screw out. Step 2, we hope that was the only screw. Oh, I guess I can take these off, they'll probably get in the way. Something in my house chewed the original ones off, and, you know, it just wasn't worth trying to replace them with regular ones, so I just grabbed some aftermarkets. And now, where were those when I needed them last week? Don't answer that. Sorry about the rattling, I know that's loud. Now I know where that is. Let's try this little bugger. And we have a little screwdriver key that comes in quite handy on a regular basis. Looks like I should be able to pop it in there. Nope, there we go. What do you know? Pop. Come on, stay with me, Bubba. Sorry, I'm not used to... This is my first time trying to do a tutorial on camera that's overhead like this. Wonder if I should lift that up higher. No, that'll just lessen the detail. Okay, let's see. I think I need a bit of a skinnier pry. Try not to use these to pry things very often because they're easier to bend the tips. But one needs, one must. Hello, child of mine. I'm making a video.
I'm gonna take this tiny little baby to its mama.
Hold on, let me see it real quick. Say hello to tiny little baby.
I want to show myself though.
Nope.
Why not?
No faces.
Why not?
Because I said so.
You showed the kitten. The kitten has a face.
The kitten didn't look at the camera. Let's see. I swear I shed more than my last dog. Why does Microsoft gotta be so contrary? I've done controllers, teardowns before, but this is my first on an Xbox controller, and it's not liking me. Oh, there we go. I know they come off. I've seen people do it. And I'm sorry I'm boring, but... And that this is the only sound you have to listen to me is my dumb ass, but I'm too lazy to look up royalty-free music to use on my video, so I don't get copyright striked. Jackbox. Yeah, there's that side. Ta-da! More security screws. Fun! Now that I know how that comes off, I can be a little bit more judicious in the use of force. And to be completely honest, once I get the hang of tearing this thing down, I'm not really worried about permanent damage like that. That was supposed to come out. But I'm not really worried about that because, A, that's one clip out of 3 on that side, so it probably will not affect anything when I go to put it back in, so long as I can get the old one out. And, I can get a replacement shell piece for it later. Ooh, that piece just does not want to come out. Excellent! Out damned spot. So, we have now 4 security screws to get off. Which means I got 4 security pins to knock out. Well, fuck a duck. I guess that was a fluke. These are not budging. Must have just got lucky with that one. Well, it looks like this video's a bust. And I'm going to have to come back to this at a later date after I order a security bit. So, for now, and yes, to answer the unasked question, I do have other bits. No, I do not have anything else that would work for this. I do not have any security bits of any kind. Which I've, largely avoided the need for by not working on Microsoft or Nintendo products. Oh no, he said the words! Yeah, that's right. Alright, that's the one that goes there. See, can't even tell it's broke. Where'd I put the other one? Under my hand, dumbass! Oh no, I said ass. I'm sorry. I was an ass for doing so. Well, back in. Oh. Well, something ain't right here, Denmark. Something got shifted around because that button ain't popping back out. That's what you get fucking with it without knowing what you're doing, dumbass. Oh boy. You done fucked it all the way up. Go. Well, fuck a dick. Well, so much for that. I guess until I get that security screw, I don't really have a functioning controller. Not that I used it a whole lot, but I was using it on my phone. Yep. As soon as I pop that battery back in, that gets pressed out. Sarge, percussive maintenance was ineffective. I would suggest a different method of approach. Well, shit burgers. Well,
we had fun fucking it all the way up. Thanks for watching if you did. I'll try and make another video.